Did you know that wind energy is the most common source of renewable energy, and as such it represents the future of the European and worldwide energy sector? Why? Because the wind energy is renewable and clean, does not cause air pollution, does not emit CO2, does not cause acid rains, and it does not destroy the ozone layer. One windmill may provide with the electricity. Annual reduction of CO2 emission of one windmill in the world amounts to 2,365 tons. Modern wind turbines are extremely silent. Their sound while in operation cannot have adverse effect to health of the surrounding inhabitants. It is important to point out that one wind turbine uses less than 1 acre of land, and the land around the wind farm can be unobtrusively cultivated. International community has determined to obtain 27% of the energy from one of the renewable sources by 2020 in Serbia. Consequently, the construction and exploitation of wind farms is a strategic commitment of many countries, and it also represents a long-term and cost-effective investment for Serbia. The importance of wind power generation have long been recognized by the most developed countries, and the number of wind farms is growing day by day. That's why the new wind farms are planned to be built in our country in the forthcoming period. We are the pioneers in the wind energy production. We have constructed and put into operation the first 2 wind parks in Serbia, while the 3rd wind park belonging to our company, and at the same time the largest one, Košava, is presently under construction. Together with Wind Farm Košava, we will be providing over 60,000 households with the electricity. Wind Park Kula. The first wind farm in Serbia is the Wind Farm Kula, opened and put into operation in 2015. It supplies electricity to more than 8,000 households, and the value of this investment is 15 million euros. The second wind farm built by Fintel Energija is the Wind Farm La Piccolina, opened and put into operation in 2016. It supplies electricity to 5,500 households, and the value of this investment is 10 million euros. Wind Park Košava. The 3rd wind farm of Fintel Energija and also the largest is currently under construction. It will supply electricity to 45,000 households. The value of this investment is 120 million euros.